What's up guys, I'm gonna teach you in today's tutorial how to unlink Google Play account from PES. So, today's tutorial is really simple, but I want you to keep up till the end to not miss out on any step. So what you will do is go to your settings, then search for apps, and when you're in, search for PES. Then you're gonna scroll down until you find storage, so click on it. You will find two options at the bottom of the screen, which are clear cache and clear data. So what you will do is click on clear data, but make sure that you remember your account and your password so you can log in again if any case you want to. So you're gonna go ahead and clear data. Now, after you launch up the game, you will see that it's like brand new and asking you for your permissions and the location and all of the new stuffs. And that's it guys.